Work journal number 5. This is on the user notification system and a few other things. So quickly to recap, we already built the messaging portion so that you could text clients directly from this page, and also that you can send. The last work journal was about sending a text to clients using email. And you can also add clients to a list, and then you can bulk text all of the clients on that list. So we already went over that, just a quick recap. And today was about sending notifications to the user through text. So for example, if we want to send an email that will then be turned into a text, this is the format that we send the email in to our system. So we enter in the API key, which is just the key for the account, and then the phone number. So whatever the phone number is, and whatever you want to say. So maybe you're sending a reminder, contract, deadline is coming up, something like that. So I already filled this out, and I'll send it in 1 second. So one thing I have up here is, this is called Inbox Kitten, and it's just a email catch-all basically. So I send any texts that go to this user that I have set up will actually be turned into an email and sent here. So this just is for, I'm setting this up for automated testing purposes, and that's why it's doing that. So if this receives it, it means that the phone number's already received it and is forwarded on. So let's send the message, and then we'll just wait for this to show up here. It'll take a couple minutes. And then we'll go over a couple things that were changed on this as well. So I'll start talking about those until this pops up. One of the things about this texting box is that it's real time. So if a text comes in, it will show up immediately. Okay, so that just came up in here. So that text was sent to the user, and here's what the text would have said: reminder, contract deadline is in 24 hours. So that is all working. And so as I was saying here, this was real time and it was working correctly, except that it was only holding about 10 messages at a time. And then if you wanted to go back and see older messages than that, it wasn't possible. So I rebuilt this so that it is still real time, but now whenever you scroll, it automatically will retrieve the next set of messages, and it'll just keep retrieving them as you scroll down until you hit the end. And one other thing I added to this was also the time, so that I could see when the times were coming in. So just to show that it is real time here. Hey, this is a message. So this would be from the user to the client, successfully sent, and then we'll just send one response to that. Okay, I got it. And there, that came in real time. So that is what has been built for work journal number 5.